Run come in at this. Yes, you. Run come listen to this. Dwayne said because him, 13, and Gracie was a force to reckon with. People are trying to mash up them relationship.
That me, Gracie, and Kingston 13 were a trio to be reckoned with, right? Hear me again. Me, Gracie, Kingston 13. Big up, Omar, big up. Because they saw all of us three as a force to be reckoned with, right? These people orchestrated a master plan to divide us as a collective. Collective meaning divide us from each other, right? And I'm not doing a promo over here. I will do the promo myself. Thank you very much. Seriously, guys, fun and joke aside, these people, them say me, Gracie, and 13 as a force to be reckoned with on social media. So therefore, how are we going to divide these three up? Big up Chocolate. Big up your damn self. Chocolate, I love you with all of my heart and so respectfully. You know that already. Yeah. They saw all three of us as a force to be reckoned with. So, in came the confusion. In came the distraction. In came the devil's spawn in the name of Suzette. Honestly, guys, I have a feeling this is how I've analyzed everything that transpired. This lady was one of Gashanti's main donor, right? She was one of Gashanti's main donor. So how I'm looking at it now, Gashanti says, Susan, me need you to go over there, so go tell them some teeth for $1,000 and infiltrate the camp. Infiltrate the camp. And here comes Suzette following them masters. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm in.
May I beg enough to subscribe now? Share, like, and comment on the video.